Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download and sign up for Tinder. So Tinder is an online dating and geosocial networking application, and you want to join Tinder but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to download the Tinder application and create an account for yourself in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to create a Tinder account is download the Tinder application. So to download the Tinder application, what you need to do is open a Play Store or your App Store. Then in the search field, search for Tinder. Once you search for Tinder, you'll see something like this. Now here, tap on the install button. Once you tap on the install button, wait for the download and installation process to complete. Now as the download process is complete, let's move to the signing up process. So to sign up, what you need to do is open the Tinder application. So press on the open button. Once the Tinder application opens, you'll see an interface like this. Now here you have three options: one to log in with your Google account, one to log in with your Facebook account, and one to log in with your phone number. So choose one of those options and continue with that. So if you want to use a Google account as a Tinder account, you can do that as well. If you want to use a Facebook account as a Tinder account, you can do that as well. Or if you want to create an independent Tinder account, what you can do is you can use a phone number. So I'll use my phone number in order to create a Tinder account for myself. Now once you choose one of those options, you'll see an interface like this. If you choose the Google option, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. If you choose a Facebook account, you'll be asked to sign in with the Facebook account. So I choose my number, so I've been asked to enter my phone number, so I'll go ahead and enter my phone number. You need to enter your phone number as well, so go ahead and do that. Once you enter your phone number, what you want to do is tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, what Tinder will do is they'll send a verification code to the phone number that you've entered. So wait for the verification code to arrive, then enter the verification code here. So once you have the code, enter the code here, then tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to enter an email address for yourself. So here also you'll have the option to log in with your Google account. Enter a valid email address in this field. Once you enter the email address, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, these are some terms and conditions of using Tinder, some rules. So go through these rules. Then once you go through these rules, what you need to do is tap on the I agree button. Now you'll be asked to enter your first name, so go ahead and do that. Once you enter your name, tap on the continue button. Now you'll be asked to enter your date of birth, so enter your date of birth. Once you enter your date of birth, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to select a gender, so go ahead and select the gender. Then once you select the gender, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked about your sexual orientation, so select the sexual orientation, or you can skip as well. So if you don't want to select a sexual orientation, just skip this process. I'll select my sexual orientation, then I'll tap on continue, so you can do that as well. Now once you tap on continue, you'll be asked whom do you want to see. Like if you're a man, you want to see a woman. If you're a woman, you want to see a man. Or according to your sexual orientation, you can choose any of this option. I'll select woman for now, then I'll tap on continue. You can do that. Once you do that, you'll be asked to enter your school's name, so go ahead and enter the name of your school. So once you enter your school's name, what you need to do is tap on the continue button. Now once you tap on the continue button, you'll have to select any 5 of your passions or your interests, so go ahead and choose any of those. So once you choose any 5 of your passions, what you need to do is tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to enter few of your photos, so you have to at least upload 2 photos, so go ahead and do that. Upload 2 of your photos. So once you add your photos, what you want to do is tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to enable your location so that Tinder can search for people using Tinder around you as your location, so allow your location. So once you do all of that, you'll successfully create a Tinder account for yourself. So those are the simple steps in order to download and sign up for Tinder. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.